Ethereum is a green blockchain. It uses a proof-of-stake consensus mechanism that can be run on low-powered devices and does not require heavy computation to participate. For each node on the network, Ethereum uses about as much energy as it would to run a basic laptop. The definition of a blockchain's transaction throughput has a significant impact on a per-transaction estimate, and this definition can be gamed to make the value appear higher or lower. On Ethereum, for instance, the transaction throughput is not only the base layers, it is also the total of all of its Layer 2 rollups, which are not typically taken into account and would significantly lower estimates. This is one of the reasons that tools that compare the amount of energy used per transaction across different platforms are false. The entire energy use and carbon footprint of the network are more important. Ethereum evaluates the benefits for network provides to its users and society at large using these values to form a more comprehensive assessment of whether or not the energy expenditure is necessary. On the other side, per-transaction metrics imply that the network's value exclusively stems from its function as a means of transferring cryptocurrency between accounts, which prevents an accurate cost-benefit analysis. For updates on blockchain and cryptocurrency, like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.